In this video, we're going to go ahead and simplify the number under a square root. And we're going to find the square root of 1,260. Now, the first step in simplifying the square root down is to actually go ahead and factor it out. So we can go ahead and take the 1,260 and factor it out into 2 times 630. And we can go ahead and factor this 630 as 2 times 315. And we can factor out the 315 as 3 and 105, and factor out the 105 as 3 and 35, and then go ahead and factor out the 35 as 5 times 7. Now this is a fully factored expression because all the numbers at the endpoints are prime numbers. The 2, 3, 5, and 7 are all prime because the only way to get those numbers is to multiply 1 times itself to get it. Now we can notice that we have 2 2's and 2 3's. Now because we have 2 2's and 2 3's, we can take one of each of them out of the square root sign. So we go ahead and take the 2's and pull it out, and then take the 3's and pull one of them out, and we can multiply them together. So we have 2 times 3 outside of the radical sign, which just gives us a 6 outside of the radical. Now the last two numbers, the 5 and 7, we can't pull them out because we only have one of each of them. So we have to leave both those numbers in the radical. So inside the radical, we still have 5 times 7, or 35. So the fully reduced square root is 6 times the square root of 35.